I have a dirty foot, but what can I do about it? Oh, nice color.
Oh yeah, it does look better.
This ticklish, I can't help it. Oh. Oh man. Please. Tell me it's ready to go back into the shoe.
Well, you knew this.
Yeah, I know, I'm just asking. I have high hopes too, you know.
It's getting stir crazy.
Good.
No.
Well, can you go? Oh, you can't go with the caddy. You could go to work if you're just seated, but you said you walk everywhere, which isn't a good idea right now.
Yep, and I can't drive. That's the thing. I mean, you know, because you use the right foot on the bottom. That's easy, you know, the door's open. It is. It's okay. Oh my God. I can't. Oh, that's just, it doesn't hurt. It's just so.
She's gonna get you back.
No, I told her to expect it.
I know, but I can't help it.
Okay, I'm kind of using the rougher side.
Huh? But I'm so glad I got a clean foot now. Oh my. It's just so sensitive. Yeah, okay, now that I do have a question. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, just for...
Oh, this is going on YouTube.
I wish I could just step into the shower like normal, but no. But I still get clean, so whatever.